Hello, welcome to our nail art world. Please subscribe the channel for these videos where creativity knows no limits. In this video, we explore the exciting realm of nail art, showing you a variety of designs that will leave you inspired to decorate your nails with style. Join us. We dive into the world of colors, patterns, and self-expression on your fingertips. So, step one, getting started with nail art. We begin introducing you to the world of nail art from its history to its comeback. In recent times, we look at how nail decorations has evolved in a trendy way to express yourself. So, step two, tools and supplies. Discover the basics you will look for nail art. We showcase various brushes, polishes, gels, and technique that allow you to experiment with the different designs from simple to bold. So, nail art techniques, learn step by step nail art techniques from easy freehand designs to stamping the gradients, and we show how to you create intricate designs at home. Step 4, nail art is a form of storytelling. In this sections, we will help you come up with nail designs that reflect your personality, interest, and what's trendy. Whether you like simple styles or something more elaborate, we have got your covered. Trending nail art. Get ready to be inspired by a collection of trendy nail art designs from marble patterns to geometric shapes, from flowers to abstract art. Each design is unique and can spark your own creativity. Step 6, taking care of your nails. Nail care is important. We share easy tips for keeping your nails healthy on your designs looking great. It's not just about the art, it's about keeping your nails in good shape too. Viewers, so you are looking very highest amount of nails art. Our community is important to us. We feature nail art challenges for viewers like you. See how others interpret themes in their own ways. You will be amazed by the talent out there. The emotions of nail art. In our final segment, we explore how nail art can make you feel. Discover how painting nails are post you made confidence and even act as way to relax and career of yourself. Get ready to be inspired by the world of nail art, where you will new to nail designs or seasons. For this video will spark your creativity and encourage you try your own. So nail art, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our nail art journey. Today we are going to show how you achieve a flawless nail polish applications that will leave your nails looking beautiful and polished. Let's get started. So first thing is that make sure your nails are clean and dry. If you have any old nail polish on us, use a nail polish remover to clean them up. Then shape and fill your nails to your desired length and shape. Apply base coat. Applying a base coat is essential as it helps protect your nails, natural nails for staining, and provide a smooth surface for the nail polish to adhere to. Apply a thin layer of the base coat and let it dry. Now comes the fun part. Choose your favorite nail polish color and gently roll the bottle between your hands to mix the polish. Start by applying a thin coat of polish down the center of your nails, then one on each side. Try to keep a small gap between the polish and your cuticles. Second coat. For a truly opaque and vibrant color, a second coat is recommended. Wait for the first coat to dry slightly, then apply the second coat using the same technique. So, clean. Cleaning is necessary if you accidentally get polish on your skin. Don't worry. Take a small brush dipped in nail polish remover and carefully clean up any excess around your nails for a neat finish. Apply top coat. To seal in your beautiful nail polish, add a glossy finish. Apply a clear top coat. So this will help you extend the life of your manicure and prevent chipping. So and there you have to do it. Your nails are looking fabulous. And remember to give your nails enough time to